Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up an autonomous rover using Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I've fired up my Hemsiphere S631 before the video began, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select instrument on the left here. That's going to bring up my instrument profiles menu, where I'm going to hit add profile and then make sure my make is set to Hemsiphere and my model to 631, which I'll then hit create. I'm then going to hit setup communication to get my Bluetooth device going here, where I'm then going to hit search to find available devices. Once I see a name with the same serial number as my receiver, in my case it ends in 004, I'm going to hit OK and then connect here, and that's going to initialize my Bluetooth connection. I'm then going to select my corrections option here and make sure I have the no RTK option selected, which will mean that I'm just using this as an autonomous rover. So once I have no RTK selected, I'm going to hit continue in the bottom right corner here, where I'm then going to hit setup antenna height to put in my HI. In this case, I measured up 1.8 meters to my slant mark. So I'm going to change that here and hit OK to set my antenna height. And I'm going to need to set up my active tolerance here. And obviously, as I'm not in RTK mode, I'm not going to get the accuracy for an RTK fixed topo or controls. So I'm going to set it to the autonomous option. So once I have that selected, I'm going to hit OK. And then the last thing I'm going to do here is, because I am using an autonomous rover and I'm not receiving any RTK corrections anyway, I'm going to disable my tilt corrections by clicking on disable there and then hitting OK and done. And if I go to my survey screen, you can see that I've got an autonomous in the bottom right corner. And if I click that, it's going to store my autonomous point. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the Hemsiphere S631. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you set up an autonomous rover with the Hemsiphere S631. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.